Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumping, which is amazing. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'm going to look at the tech stocks, Tesla, Nvidia, Google. These are the main ones that I keep buying and trading them. I buy when they're oversold on the weekly. I sell them when they're overbought on the weekly. If you've been following my videos for 6 years, we've been trading Bitcoin since $3,000 on this channel. Tesla since 2015. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section down below. If you make money from my lessons, I want you to hire social media marketers, push messages of peace, anti-war, and protect the nature and the trees. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My Bitcoin trade from a few days ago, my account up $6,000 today, which is beautiful. You can see Bitcoin breaking 90,000. My trade, I activated this trade on the 24th of 11th, and now it's the 27th. And we are up, I think it's Thanksgiving, up $5,187 on this Bitcoin trade. 1.5 Bitcoin, which is beautiful. $5,000 in, so today is the 27th, in 3 days. 24th to the 27th, $5,000 in 3 days, which is amazing. I also bought Uni and Ton. Ton that I bought is up now, up $2,400. I bought $30,000 of Ton. It's now up $2,400, 8%. Uni is about even. I'll jump into the technicals for Bitcoin, and I want to check out Uni as well. Ton was up 3%, Tesla was 1.7%, Google was down around 1%, Uni up 1%. BNB up 3%, Nvidia up 1.3%, Bitcoin up 3.6%, and the rest of the market a bit flat. Bitcoin 90,400. We're going into the technicals. I start off always on the weekly charts to get the weekly stochastic, which is, as I was saying, it's now oversold. If you followed my videos recently, we were selling up here. I was warning everyone that it's overbought, time to sell. When it double tops on the overbought, it's usually time to sell. When it on the oversold on the weekly stochastic, usually time to buy. Look at the top of the chart and you'll see what again, I've shown this a few times. Oversold, time to buy. Overbought, time to sell. Oversold in April, time to buy. Overbought in December, time to sell. You get the picture? And now it's oversold, heading up, which is beautiful. Let's go into on the crypto. The Guru bot is still a sell. It fired a sell 3 weeks ago. It hasn't yet fired a buy. Guru bot, Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, hasn't yet fired a buy. Fired a sell up there. You get both of the bots in jamescryptoguru.com. There is discounts right now for courses and stuff till I think 1 day left of the courses discounts. It fired a buy on the Bitcoin indicator bot. Stochastic on the daily is heading up. Looks like we're good to go for a bit of a run. Stochastic very oversold. Since the bottom, Bitcoin is already up. Since that 80K bottom, 80,600, Bitcoin is up 12%. So already getting a bounce. If it comes to the top of the channel, it will be 69%, which is beautiful. Let's go into the 4 hourly. In the 4 hourly, it's heading up. Already overbought on the 4 hourly. Not much of a correction when it was overbought on the 4 hourly just before. Little bit of a correction. It came down to 86,000 before pumping all of a sudden. Looks like a V-shaped recovery is forming now on Bitcoin, which is beautiful. And again, I've got this 1.5 Bitcoin trade up $5,000. It's a $130,000 trade. Let's go into Uni. I want to check out Uni, up 1%. Symmetrical triangle on the weekly charts. Let's turn on Bitcoin indicator bot. Has fired a sell on the weekly charts. It's been fluctuating a lot, but it is heading up the stochastic on the weekly. On the daily, it looks like it's fired a sell, didn't fire a buy yet. What pattern do we have here? We could do we've got two touches now here. And there's this whole totalitarian thing going on digital IDs and things like this. They're pushing it in the UK, Australia. I'm going to show you. Never fall into, if they're trying to take away your freedoms to protect you or protect your children, it's the government trying to fuck you. Always remember this. Whenever they say they're trying to protect your freedoms or take away your rights for some reason, the government is about to either like they're going to kill you. So be very careful when they say that they're protecting you for taking away your freedoms to protect you. If Uni pumps out here of this symmetric descending triangle, the base of the triangle target would be $12. So almost 100%. That would be almost 100% move. If we measure it out, 86%. So I'm going to take a long on Uni. On the daily, it's oversold, heading up. On the 4 hourly, it's starting to make a bottoming formation. I'm going to add more to Uni. We were at $6 and we moved to $6.30. The low was, we've had multiple bounces now, triple bottom on $5.80. So Uni doesn't seem to be dropping even when Bitcoin is dropping. I've got a Uni buy at $4.20, $3.30, $2.20. So I'll take this $4.70 away, and I'm going to add, I've got right now in Uni, I've got 20,000, so I'm going to add 15,000 of Uni, $15,000 more of Uni at the current price. Buy $15,000 more of Uni is activating, which will be beautiful. And you can see where I've been buying Uni. My average buy has been around $6.20, where we're sitting now. And that order has gone through. I have now $35,000 worth of Uni. My ton buys from a few days ago are now up $2,000, which is beautiful. Let's check out, I want to check out Nvidia. Nvidia got a bounce, 1.3%. Now it's at 180. On the weekly stochastic, it is oversold now. Nvidia is starting to get oversold on the weekly stochastic, which is very interesting. The low that it came down to was 169 before getting a bounce. It's now had around a 6% bounce on Nvidia. But I am worried still about this rising wedge. We saw the same rising wedge on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and then we broke down from 120 rising wedge. If this breaks down, major supports are at 149, 135, and 19. I would say even here 115. These are major supports for Nvidia. Let's go into Ethereum. Ethereum is at, where is Ethereum? Came off my watch list for some reason. Ethereum USDT on Bybit, and then I go for spot or, okay, we'll do spot. Okay, Ethereum 3,000. Ethereum having a big bounce on the weekly chart. It is now oversold on the weekly stochastic. You can see here oversold. The low it came down to was 2,600. Now we're already at 3,000. Quite a big bounce already. Bitcoin indicator bot hasn't fired a buy yet. On the weekly stochastic, it is now oversold. Again, remember my lessons as I teach you in the Crypto Master Course in much more detail. Above the dotted lines, time to sell. That was the time to sell when we closed our positions at 4,800. If you remember, I sold Ethereum up there, and now it's oversold on the weekly time frame. It was time to buy, and it's already off that bottom, off the oversold. Ethereum is already up 15%. It hasn't fired a buy yet. It exactly came down to major support area. This was a major support area on Ethereum. Let's go on to the daily. On the daily, it is also oversold heading up. Best point to take a long would be on the weekly support. I would say 2,800. Take a long off there, and then target, I would take it to the top of the channel. 8, too little risk to reward. I would reduce the risk. So this is the trade I would take. Open 2,800, stop loss 2,700, take profit 4,800. Risk to reward is 22 times, risking $89 to make 1,900 per Ethereum. No leverage, 10x leverage, 19,000. That's the trade. Next video I'm going to do, I want to check out Tesla, and I want to check out Google in the next video. And again, I'm currently long. I added more to my uni trade, $35,000 worth, and ton 32,000. Ton is up 2,300, and my Bitcoin trade is pumping 5,000, which is beautiful. The elite trader group, you can join them. There's 31 members in this new elite traders group. They posted a signal, one of the traders, yesterday night. He went long on Bitcoin, long at 86,500. Take profits was 88, 89, and 90. So he already hit all take profits. Great signals, fast execution. So he already hit those take profits, which is beautiful. You can find it in the main Telegram. Black Friday courses, there is 1 day left on the Black Friday courses. The code is Black Friday, 40% off all courses, jamescryptoguru.com. And you can see the links to Bybit down below, main exchange I trade, WeX KYC free worldwide exchange, $200 sign up, and the Telegram link. You can join that, and then you can find the Elite Trader Telegram, also the link in that Telegram, and take the courses, jamescryptoguru.com, and again, 40% off for Black Friday. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving. Some of my students, I'm in the process of buying $2 million house. You can see I'm up 122. You can read their reviews. Took some profits, bought a Harley Davidson Road King, and I've got thousands of these reviews over the years. Because I love these lives, because I feel I can get much value them. Thank you for everything you do, James. You're literally helping thousands and changing many people's lives. Thank you very much, everyone. All those links are down below. Let's check out your comments from yesterday. Asterbro, can you check it? Sure. I'll have to check it in the next video if there's more requests. True Guru, thank you. James, which version of your course includes the Bitcoin indicator bot? Crypto Guru bot, the pro version. Please analyze world. If there's more requests, Ethereum just did it. Enjoy your shorts and direct TA, practical and easy. I enjoy your short and direct TA, practical and easy to follow. Thank you very much, Stefan. Thank you for taking time daily make these videos. Much appreciated. Thank you, Daniel. I love the kindergarten comment. You're a legend, James. Thank you very much, Shiraz. Thank you, Guru. God bless you. Thank you, James. Thank you, everyone, for these amazing. Coinbase bought another 20 million in Cardanas. Need to check it out. Everyone, check out these tickers that people, if you like them and request, I will do more of them. I'll try to do whichever is requested more. World, Asta, in the next video. And over on X, 110,100 followers. I bought 1,000 shares of Google. This was in August when Google was at 196. Now Google is at 290. The Digital Freedom Project is officially suing the Australian government, trying to stop under 16 age ban, protecting the rights of all Australians to access the public square. Join the fight. This is about indoctrination and digital identity. Indoctrination by completely controlling what opinions kids see, so only the ALP-approved propaganda is available. They're blocking socials for kids under 16, but they want them to go to war for the European Union. He bought the course a few days ago. I don't agree. Anytime the government is trying to take away your rights on the guise of protecting you, it's totalitarian. It will lead to your demise. It will lead to being controlled. Communism, 1987, the book, or 1984, where it's a totalitarian government. No one's free. Never let them take away your freedoms. They took away your freedoms, locked people up for a fake vaccine. 6 months old. Be very, very careful about giving away your freedoms, everyone. Fight for your freedoms at all costs. They will say, think of the children, protect the children. They'll give you many, stop immigrants, blah, blah, blah. But it's all to take away your rights and take totalitarian control. Never give up your freedoms. Never give up your freedoms. Fight with all you can to be a free, sovereign individual. It's the most important thing, especially in the age of AI that's coming. You don't want to create a totalitarian AI, or we're going to have the world like Terminator. So every time there's someone taking away your freedoms, every time a politician is talking to you about a new law to take away someone's freedoms to protect you, it's bullshit. Fight it with all you can. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.